Digi Product Lab review and $500 bonus. Let me tell you the truth about it. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Digi Product Lab review. Now this is an amazing product that first of all will save you sometimes weeks of work, and depending on what you want to do with the final product you can make $50 to $100 or even thousands of dollars down the road. So what it does, it creates products, it creates amazing looking PDFs literally in seconds. Okay, so I remember when I created my first 20-page PDF to sell it on the Warrior Forum, it took me like a week. Okay, it was totally worth it because it launched my online career, but I took a week to create a simple 20-page PDF. Now you can do the same exact work literally in seconds, and now I'm going to have a full demo for you, but just keep in mind you can create product after product after product literally in minutes. You can sell these products to other people. You can charge other marketers for the product creation. I'm going to show you some different listings which you can do as well, and essentially this is a massive time saver and something that you can make thousands of dollars with. Okay, so let's jump into this Digi Product Lab review, and again I'm going to have a $500 bonus including software, including exclusive done for you stuff. So stick with me and let me share my screen with you. Okay, so first of all, even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I typed in create an ebook. So this is how much people are charging on Fiverr for simply creating an ebook for someone. 55 euro, which is like $60, 23 euro, $25, $20, $50. So as you can see, people are actually buying this. 200 almost sold here, 84 sold, 9, 15, $1,000, 1,000 gigs sold for $15. And this is for just for the ebook cover. Okay, so you can make a ton of money with this. Even if you don't have an online business, you can just do this for other people. So this is just the entry level stuff that you can make instant money with if you have no idea what to do with these products. Obviously you can use them as lead magnets, you can sell these products in a bunch of different ways, but if you don't know how to do any of this, you can just charge other people for these ebooks, and again you can create these in minutes. So you know, $20 or $25 for a minute of work, it's a pretty good deal, right? So just go to Fiverr, type in create an ebook and check this out for yourself. You can make a ton of cash doing nothing else but just this. Okay, and right now let's just check out the sales page. As you can see, it says Digi Product Lab, create highly profitable ebooks and digital products with zero effort in less than 60 seconds, free viral traffic, hands-free, list building, and profits in any niche. So obviously they're gonna have a little demo video right here. I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, and I'm actually going to show you some examples in this video as well. So it's 3 steps: select, create, and monetize. And as you can see, these are amazing looking designs. Okay, so you're going to be using templates, everything is done for you, super easy, hands off. Obviously you can make a ton of money this way. You can build a list, you can do affiliate marketing, you can sell these products as your own. Obviously you'll be able to add affiliate links inside or your own links. Scrolling down here, so again, Digi Product Lab, this is the name of this product, and this is my Digi Product Lab review. Scrolling down, they're gonna have a little demo right here. I'm going to have the same demo again both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Some income proof. Obviously you can sell these anywhere you want, on Amazon, on JVZoo, on ClickBank, on Warrior Plus, on pay.com, anywhere you can think of online. Okay, some testimonials right here. This is a pretty long sales page, so we're not going to go through all of it. They have some bonuses. You're going to get my bonuses on top of it, a 30 days money back guarantee, and a couple of different prices. So $17.95 or $19.95. Okay, so you have the light version and the pro version, but we're going to go through all of the pricing in a second, FAQ in the end. So this is it, and this is what you will see on the inside. So first of all, I just wanted to show you the training that's included. So obviously you're gonna get the app with all of its functionalities, but the training is also important because first of all, it shows you how to use this app, this software product. Secondly, it will show you how to monetize it. Okay, so how to create your ebooks. We have the first video, how to create an ebook cover. So a part of creating an ebook, you'll be able to create e-covers, which is a totally additional thing, and you can just charge people on Fiverr for creating e-covers and make money this way. So you have a two-in-one type of a deal. Bonus builder, landing pages. We have what to put in your ebook, how to build an email list, how to get traffic to anything. So a ton of video training is included as well. And as you can see, we are on the dashboard right here. So we have my ebooks, my landing pages, my e-covers, my licenses. You can access all of this right here. We have the e-cover creator, so you can create beautiful looking e-covers. So as you can see, you'll be able to access all of the e-covers right here. You can create e-covers in seconds. I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it. You have the idea. You can use any background, any image, edit text, use any font, etc. You can create an ebook right here. So obviously this can take anywhere from like a minute to maybe 5 minutes, but you can create ebooks from articles, which means that this piece of software, Digi Product Labs, will actually download done for you articles, so you don't have to write anything. This will be done automatically. It pulls articles obviously in any niche from Google, and it creates it for you. It will create all the chapters, it will create a summary. Everything is done for you. So again, you can create it from articles, you can create it manually, you can create it from a URL, you can upload your ebook, and you can choose done for you ebooks as well. So a ton of different ways you can actually create these ebooks, but I think the most powerful one is creating it from articles, because it just pulls articles automatically from Google and it picks the best ones. It puts everything in chapters, and you're done. You're just adding an ebook cover and it's good to go. So then we have my library here, my collections, and these are the upgrades. So done for you packages, license generator, bonus builder. You have some bonuses right here as well. And I just wanted to show you an example of an ebook. So we have the e-cover created right here. As you can see, we have table of contents right here, and all of these were automatically pulled from Google and added right here. So as you can see, we have the header, we have the top part. This is the simplest version. Obviously, you can edit the background, you can add images, you can do a ton of different things. So this is something created just like in a minute. Obviously, you can make this much better, and in the demo that I'm going to have, you're gonna see that you can add amazing images, you can add background images, etc. So you can make this look really amazing. Okay, so this is what you will see on the inside. Is a super basic premise. Essentially, you're just typing in the keywords and the ebook is created for you. And again, you can do whatever you want with these ebooks. Sell them on Fiverr, sell them on any other website like Upwork, like Freelancer. You can use them as lead magnets. You can sell them on the Warrior Forum, anywhere, like on Udemy or Skillshare or any other website in the world. And right now, I just wanted to show you all of the OTOs, the upsells, and the pricing. Okay, so as you can see, the Digi Product Lab funnel, this is how it would look like. So we have the main product for $19 to $27, but this is the end price. We went through the pricing right here. This will be the early bird. So $17.95 or $19.97. As you can see, we have the light version and the pro version. Okay, so then we have upsell number one, $67, and this will be Digi Product Lab Unlimited. So we have the unlimited version, allows you to create digital products, unlimited e-covers, and unlimited storage. So obviously with the main product, you'll have some limits. If you want to have it unlimited, this is OTO number one, $67. Then we have OTO number two, $97. And this will be Digi Product Lab Automated Traffic. So it's a done for you traffic package. Essentially, you'll be able to put your Facebook and Google Pixel on the best converting sales pages from these guys, and just funnel the traffic out for just $97. Then we have upsell number three, $67, and this will be done for you products and funnels. So a complete done for you package with 10 done for you packages inside. Okay, so you got done for you products, so you don't even have to create these ebooks, they are done for you, and also done for you funnels, just $67. Then we have OTO number 4, $47, and this is list builder funnels, which means that a part of the ebook you'll be also able to create a correlating opt-in page and also done for you products. So just make it a complete funnel. Okay, that's $47. And then we have the one is missing right here. We have the OTO number 5 bonus builder app. So this software for $67 creates stunning bonus pages that you can use to promote other people's products as an affiliate. Okay, so you're gonna have the opt-in page, and now you have the bonus page. So this is something optional if you just want to promote other people's products as an affiliate, but this is a bonus page creator. And the last one, OTO number 6, $197. This is Digi Product Lab license rights, which allows you to sell Digi Product Lab and all of the products in the funnel as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. So as you can see, me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, that's OTO number 6. So guys, these are the OTOs, and I wanted to show you my bonuses right now. Okay, so these are exclusive, and all of these are either product of the day on JVZoo, W's of the day on Warrior Plus. You have different softwares, you have different courses, everything will just make Digi Product Lab much better. So bonus number 1, we have Affiliate Traffic Lab, which is a separate software for generating traffic. Okay, so that's exclusive bonus number 1. Then I have 5 done for you campaigns. So that's exclusive as well. No one else will give you these done for you campaigns. This is an exclusive from myself. Okay, so no other affiliate will give you these 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Then we have $500 CPA every day. All of these are W's of the day awarded courses, by the way. $200 cash hack, 300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method. We have 2000 CPA traffic jacker. We have instant traffic jacker. We have the commission magnet. We have the commission toolbox. $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, and now some plugins as well. We got WP video attention, we have viral click, we have affiliate advantage, we have image plus, and we have affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, we have squeeze page creator, we have true tags, we have iAsk, we have popbugs, we have sales bar, and we have short code call to action. So that's a total of 25 bonuses worth well over $500. So these are you know, if you would like to buy this, you would have to spend $500 or more. You're getting all of these for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up Digi Product Lab through my link today. And Digi Product Lab will be going live today on the 27th of June at 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to show up early to get the early bird and all of my bonuses. As you can see, you know, go back to Fiverr and check how much money people are charging for creating these ebooks. This is the fastest money that you can make. Just set up a listing on Fiverr and start selling this and make $50 to $100 per ebook. Super easy, and obviously can make thousands of dollars down the road just for using it as cash magnets or just selling them as a product. So a ton of money is to be made, and again, I really like this product, especially for this price, a one-time price of under $20. This is pretty crazy. Okay, so this is my Digi Product Lab review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like on YouTube. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.